All right, so last night I recently installed these LED bulbs on my 2021 Toyota Highlander Platinum, and I loved how they looked at night. And so I figured just do another quick review on these bulbs just in case you were on the fence about doing this and which bulbs I would recommend. So the first bulb here, this is the LasFit LED bulbs. This is for the license plate bulbs replacement to replace the halogen bulbs. This is not the actual LED bulbs. These are the halogen bulbs from the original vehicle itself. This here, I'll put a link in the description, but it's a T10 white bulb. Color is 6,000 Kelvin, and these are just all plug and play. I got this here from eBay for $8. It's non-polarity, so it doesn't matter which way you put the bulb into the bulb socket. It's a plug and play. So I'll show you what it looks like at night before and after, but these bulbs are awesome. And then this right here, Auxito, these are also LED bulbs, and these are for the reverse lights when you back up. These are also 6,000 Kelvin, 6,000 K to match the license plate bulbs, and they are brighter and whiter, and definitely helps out when you're reversing, and you'll be able to see more farther back objects in the way. This I got for $14 on Amazon, and so again I'll put that link in the description so you can get it for yourself if you want. But I am really satisfied with these bulbs. Again, they're non-polarity, and this one specifically has the circuits and resistors in there, so that way it minimizes or eliminates the bulb from flickering or from getting lighter and brighter. It's just one constant let me see if it says it here. Doesn't say it on the back, but if you go to the link, they'll have a more detailed description from the seller. All right, let's take a look at what this looks like before and after. All right, here's the factory license plate light bulbs. So I'll go ahead and install the LED lights, and you can see the before and after here. All right, so if you have a 2020-21 Toyota Highlander and you're curious where to put those bulbs, let me show you here. So you have this space in the back of the lift gate. Basically you use a pry tool, and it's best to go from the top. You'll see an indentation right here, where once you pop this side out, I'm not going to do it because I already put that in there, but you pop it from the top out, and then you can take this piece out, because there's two clamps on the bottom right here that fit into here. So take this part out, bend it down, and then pull it out. You'll do this side, and then you'll do it on this side right there. And then once you remove this panel, you will totally see where the reverse light bulb is right here. Just twist it out, take it out, plug and play, and you're good to go. Now, as far as the license plate lights, this is also pretty easy as well. I'm not going to pull it out because I already did this the other day, but using that same pry tool, you'll pry this part out, and then you'll pry this part out right here. And once this little black plastic molding comes out, it'll expose this plastic light here. Now from there, I would use a small screwdriver to just pry the end and pull it down, and this side as well. Some people, they use a screw to screw into the hole right here. I didn't want to do that. Some other people use big pliers to just clamp it and pull it out. I didn't want to do that either. What I found useful is once you remove this out, you can even use this pry tool and just stick and bend and take the whole component out. And then once this is dangling down, it makes it a lot easier to use the small screwdriver and then and pry this out, and then you can replace the bulbs there. But if you need instructions, just go to toyotanation.com, go into the 4th generation Highlander forums. There's a whole thread with pictures dedicated to show you how to do this, or just look up any YouTube video. I think it's the same process for the 3rd generation Highlander as well, so it's a pretty easy process. All right, and here's the license plate lights with the replaced LED bulbs, a lot brighter and whiter. All right, babe, reverse. I also switched out the LED reverse bulbs, really bright. So there you have it. Give it that more luxury look.